So here is how to fix Minecraft. You need to authenticate to Microsoft service error. First, you will need to open Microsoft Store and then search for Minecraft. And then make sure Minecraft is up to date. If there is any updates, install them. Also do the same thing for Minecraft launcher. Search for Minecraft launcher and make sure you install the latest updates. Now, if you have the latest updates already, you can close Microsoft Store and go to the system settings and then search for date and time settings. And now make sure you set your time zone to automatically, or set time zone automatically option is turned on. And then click sync now to sync your time zone if it's not correct, which can cause this error. Now, if you can close this, and if still doesn't work for you after doing all these options, you can try to reinstall Minecraft. Right click on Windows icon, installed apps, and then search for Minecraft. And you should see 3 Minecraft related apps. You should uninstall them all, the 3 ones, and then go back to Microsoft Store and then search for Minecraft launcher, install it again, and then search for Minecraft and then re-download it again. And then you can launch the game, and that should fix the problem. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.